Hello everyone, in this video we're going to solve the following system of equations and find all positive real solutions of x and y. So here x and y belong to positive real numbers. Let's start. Let me first of all rewrite these equations as it is here. So x to the power of y is equal to y to the power of x minus y, and x to the power of x is equal to y to the power of 12y. I'm going to take here from both sides of each equation natural logarithms. Then this is going to be equivalent to logarithm of x to the power of y is equal to logarithm of y to the power of x minus y, and the second equation is logarithm of x to the power of x equal to logarithm of y to the power of 12y. To simplify each logarithms, I'm going to use the following formula. As we know, logarithm of a over b to the power of n is always equal to n times logarithm of a over b. Now using this formula we can easily simplify. Then this is going to be equivalent to the left hand side of the first equation is y times logarithm of x is equal to the right hand side is x minus y times logarithm of y. So the second equation is x times logarithm of x is equal to 12y times logarithm of y. Now let me label each equation here. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation. In the first equation, if I solve for logarithm of x, then I will get logarithm of x equal to x minus y divided by y and times logarithm of y. Now I'm going to substitute this expression into the second equation. Then the second equation is equivalent to, here since logarithm of x is equal to x minus y divided by y times logarithm of y, then I will get x times x minus y divided by y times logarithm of y is equal to 12y times logarithm of y. Now let me move this product to the left hand side to get x times x minus y divided by y times logarithm of y minus 12y times logarithm of y is equal to 0. As you can see, we have a common factors here, logarithm of y. Therefore we can factor out logarithm of y. Then I will get x times x minus y divided by y minus 12y is equal to 0. And as you can see, this product is equal to 0. Then I can equate each expression to 0. So therefore logarithm of y is equal to 0, and x times x minus y divided by y minus 12y is equal to 0. And as you remember, we already solved for logarithm of x, so therefore we can immediately get the answer for logarithm of x. Since logarithm of y is equal to 0, then here we'll get that logarithm of x is equal to 0. Therefore, let me rewrite here. The first equation is logarithm of y was 0, and the second one is logarithm of x is equal to 0. Here we can immediately get the answers. Here y is equal to 1 and here x is equal to 1. And as you see, this is the first set of solutions. Now let me rewrite this equation here as it is. So x times x minus y divided by y and minus 12y is equal to 0. Since we are looking for all positive real solutions of x and y, then here y cannot be equal to 0. So therefore I can multiply both sides by y to eliminate here denominator, and then I will get x times x minus y minus 12y squared is equal to 0. So let me expand this product. Then x squared minus xy minus y squared is equal to 0. As you can see, there is no specific formula to solve this equation, so therefore we'll try to factor. So I'm gonna factor as follow. Let me split this minus 12y squared as x squared minus 9y squared minus xy and minus 3y squared is equal to 0. And as you see, this is the again factorable, so I can use the following formula. We know that a squared minus b squared is always equal to a minus b times a plus b. Now using this formula we can easily factor it. Then this equation is equivalent to, so here x minus 3y times x plus 3y, and from this expression we see that we can factor out y, then x plus 3y is equal to 0. And as you can see, we have a common factor, then I can factor out x plus 3y. Then I will get x plus 3y and times x minus 3y minus y give us minus 4y is equal to 0. So the product is equal to 0, then I can equate each expression to 0. So therefore x plus 3y is equal to 0, and here if you solve for x, then I'll get x equal to minus 3y. Since again we are looking for all positive real solutions of x and y, but as you can see the coefficient of y is negative, so therefore there is no solution in positive real numbers. Then the second one is, this is the first one, the second one is x minus 4y is equal to 0, and here if I solve for x, then I'll get x equal to 4y. Then now let me rewrite our original system of equations as it is here, this one. Then so x to the power of y is equal to, so here y to the power of x minus y, and the second equation was x to the power of x is equal to y to the power of 12y. Now I can substitute this 4y into the first equation. In other words, this is going to be equivalent to 4 to the power of y to the power of y is equal to y to the power of 4y minus y is 3y. Then by using the following formula, I can now expand to the power of y the left hand side. As you remember, a times b to the power of n is always equal to a to the power of n times b to the power of n. Now by using this formula, so this is going to be equivalent to 4 to the power of y times y to the power of y is equal to y to the power of 3y. Let me solve for 4 to the power of y, then I will get 4 to the power of y is equal to y to the power of 3y divided by y to the power of y. And again, by using the second formula, I can simplify the right hand side of the last equation. We know that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is always equal to a to the power of m minus n. Then therefore the last equation is equivalent to, so here this one is equivalent to, let me write here, 4 to the power of y is equal to y to the power of 3y minus y is 2y. Now here I can rearrange the last equation as follow: 4 to the power of y is equal to y squared to the power of y. Since exponents are the same, we can equate bases, which means that y squared is equal to 4. And usually here we'll get y is equal to plus minus 2. Since we are looking for all positive real solutions, then here we'll get simply y is equal to 2. And as you remember, we already solved that x is equal to 4y. Then here we can get x is equal to 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So if you finalize, we have a two set of solutions. So the first set of solutions is x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. And the second set of solutions is x equal to 8 and y is equal to 2. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.